Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create, modify, delete soft link in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So creating a soft link is similar to creating a shortcut to a file or a directory, which is similar to Windows operating system. Okay, so it's a creating a shortcut. Okay, so that you can access directly the file or its contents in directory. Okay, so here see you can in slash opt directory I have two directories, my directory 1 and my directory 2. So I have created two directories with content in slash opt directory. So I am going to create soft link to this directory. Okay, so this is the command ln hyphen small s. Okay, ln hyphen small s slash opt slash my directory 1. Okay, so this is a source directory. So under that welcome.sh, for welcome.sh I am creating a soft link. So soft link name is myscript.sh. That's it. So this is the command. Note down link hyphen s source file name, destination file name. That's the syntax. Okay. See here, myscript.sh is got created, which is pointing to slash opt slash my directory 1 slash welcome.sh. So myscript.sh is a shortcut to slash opt slash my directory 1 slash welcome.sh. Okay. Now let me create another one. This time I am creating for a directory link hyphen s slash opt slash my directory soft linked directory. Okay, so I am creating shortcut to the directory. See here, I have created soft linked directory. Okay, which means it's a soft link dir. It's a shortcut to the slash opt slash my directory. You can see that I can able to access the content in slash opt slash my directory 2. Okay, so this is the way you can create soft link to the directory. Okay, now next up I'm going to show you modify how to modify the soft link. Okay, so let me modify link hyphen sf. Hyphen sf is the command line option for modifying the link. See here, now I have modified myscript.sh pointing to the HTML file. So this is the way you can modify the soft link using ln-sf. Okay, so please note down the syntax ln-sf source space destination. Okay, so without deleting the soft link, you can modify the soft link. Okay, now next let me show how to delete the soft link. Unlink. So using unlink command, you can delete the soft link. Unlink soft link directory. Unlink myscript.sh. That's it. Now let me type ls-ltr. See here, all soft links are got deleted, but files will be remain as it is. Original files, original content will be remain as it is. So as I have told earlier, this is similar to the creating shortcut in Windows. So soft link means creating a shortcut to the file or a directory. You can either create or modify and delete the shortcut whenever you need it. So make use of this feature in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.